Welcome back to Vibe Check, the channel where we share natural knowledge. Today we're talking about Trametes versicolor, or the turkey tail mushroom. Commonly found on downed hardwood stumps and logs year-round, these are fairly easy to identify by the striped bands of color along their fuzzy-feeling cap. They come in a wide variety of colors, however are most often found with bands of brown, white, orange, and even blue. Turn it over to reveal a white to off-white pore surface. Turkey tails should have small, uniform pores in the bottom. We'll pick a few to make an extract with later on. Now you may be asking, what is so special about this little mushroom that I should go out of my way to seek it out? That's a good question. Turkey tails is one of the most researched mushrooms on the planet, and for good reason. Its use as a medicine dates back over 2,000 years, and now scientists have begun to break down exactly why they work so well. Their main health benefits come in the form of beta-glucans, which both boost the immune system and improve gut health. There is also some evidence to suggest that regular intake of turkey tail can help the body fight off and even prevent cancers. You can actually find turkey tail in many wellness products today, ranging from supplements to mushroom coffees. Don't forget to follow us because in our next video, we're going to be showing you how to make a potent extract from turkey tail. Are there any natural remedies you're interested in learning about? Let us know in the comments. Now, there are a few lookalikes you should be familiar with so you can make the right choice of what to pick and what to leave behind. First, we're going to look at the violet tooth. While these may look similar at a distance, there are a few key differences to tell them apart. Looking from above, you'll notice the outer margin to have a distinct violet color. Turn it over and the pore surface will not be flat, but rather comprised of small, spiky, or toothed pores that range in color from a light to dark brown, with the margin usually having a similar violet coloration as the top. Moving on to the other main lookalike, which is most commonly mistaken for turkey tail, we have Cerium ostrea, which has been aptly nicknamed the false turkey tail. While they have similar bands of color on top, it's best to tell them apart by looking at the underside. False turkey tail will have a smooth underside that varies in color with no pores compared to an all-white pore surface on the real deal. Both of these lookalikes are considered to be non-toxic, which makes turkey tail a great mushroom for beginners and experts alike. If you found this helpful, give us a like and share. Have you ever found or used turkey tails? Let us know in the comments below.